In this video, we'll be talking about the RocRow InkSonic L1800 DTF printer, a complete A3 printing solution designed for t-shirt customization and professional garment printing. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this DTF printer in the description below for the best price. The RocRow InkSonic L1800 stands out because it brings a professional-level DTF setup right to your workspace, whether you're running a small business or just getting into custom apparel printing. It's an A3 size printer, meaning you get large format prints with vivid colors and long-lasting detail. The built-in 3-in-1 white ink circulation system is one of its biggest advantages. It mixes, filters, and circulates the white ink to prevent clogging, one of the most common headaches with DTF printers. Plus, it includes a moisturizing feature that keeps the printhead in good condition even if you don't use the printer daily. Another impressive feature is the air suction platform, which holds the transfer film firmly in place during printing. This avoids issues like wrinkles, bubbles, or scratches that can ruin your design. The built-in heating system ensures that the ink cures properly, improving adhesion and vibrancy without overdrying, a thoughtful touch, especially for colder environments where ink can behave unpredictably. RocRow also does a great job with support and packaging. You don't just get the printer, you get a full DTF setup, including a curing oven, a handheld heat press, inks, transfer film, cleaning liquids, t-shirts for testing, and even spare cartridges. It's clear they designed this for both beginners and professionals who want an all-in-one printing solution without piecing together separate parts. In terms of results, the InkSonic L1800 produces bright, durable prints that hold up well on different materials, from cotton and polyester to leather, denim, and mesh. Whether you're making t-shirts, hoodies, hats, or tote bags, the color consistency and detail are impressive. That said, this printer isn't the fastest, with a print speed around 1.2 pages per minute, so it's better suited for quality-focused production rather than mass output. It's also a bit bulky, but that's expected given the built-in curing and heating systems. Overall, the RocRow InkSonic L1800 DTF printer delivers great value with professional features, reliable performance, and full accessory support. It's a strong choice for creators who want control, quality, and convenience in their print workflow.